Hi guys, this is Jorma. I'm from Vishnu Institute of Technology, Bhimar. On behalf of Drone Center of Excellence, I'm here to explain about motor. We use motors in our daily lives, household purposes, industrial purposes, etc. Okay, let us take an example. Suppose the tank is empty. Generally we'll go on the supply. That means what we are giving? We are giving the supply to the motor. Then what happens? The motor rotates. That means water deposits in the tank. The motor rotates. That means we are getting the mechanical output. Here, the motor takes input electrical energy and gives output mechanical energy. In simple words, we can say that motor converts electrical energy to the mechanical energy. Yeah, we know about motor. It converts electrical energy to the mechanical energy. Okay, here the question arises that how the motor converts electrical energy to the mechanical energy. We will see it. Principle of motor. Motor works in the principle of Faraday's laws of magnetic induction. Faraday's laws. It states that whenever a current carrying conductor placed in the magnetic field, it experiences some force and it starts rotating. Okay. In this way, we will get mechanical output by giving the electrical input. In drones, we generally use BLDC motors compared to the BDC motors. 90% of the drones are controlled by the BLDC motors because in the name itself, BLDC means brushless. There are no brushes in the motor. Whereas in the BDC motors, there are brushes. Brushes means which causes the current from the supply and gives to the commutator. These two poles are the magnets, which is stator, this is called stationary part, and this coil is the rotor, which is called rotating part. Okay. By the Faraday's laws of magnetic induction, whenever a current carrying conductor placed in the magnetic field, it rotates. Here, the coil is connected to the commutator. The supply is given to the commutator through the brushes. Then the coil rotates. Brushes are connected to the commutator. Whenever the supply is given, the brushes collect the current. Some of the currents are escaped from it as the losses. Now we will discuss about BLDC. BLDC means, as we are discussing, brushless DC motor. Here, the magnets are the rotors and the conductor is the stator. Here, the supply is given to the conductor, that means stator. The magnetic field is set up by the two magnets, which are the rotors. According to the electromagnetic field induction, Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction, whenever a current carrying conductor placed in the magnetic field, the force is applied. That means because of this conductor is stationary, the magnet starts rotating. There are no brushes here. There are no losses in this motor. Mostly, that means 90% of the drones are used by these motors. Let us take a look onto the image of the brushless DC motor. This is the rotor and this is the stator. The magnets are attached to the rotor and the conductors are attached to the stator. Okay, I hope you all get a clear view about this motor. Let us recap all the things we have discussed now. Motor converts electrical energy to the mechanical energy. Motor works on the principle of Faraday's laws of magnetic induction. What are the Faraday's laws? Faraday's laws means whenever a current carrying conductor placed in the magnetic field, it experiences some force and it rotates. Next one is, we generally have two types of motors, BLDC, BDC. BLDC means brushless DC motor, BDC means brushed DC motor. Okay. 90% of the drones use BLDC motors because it is more efficient than BDC. Okay, I hope you all gained some knowledge from this video. Thank you.